Hi, I'm Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how to make a simple wire wrapped bead to hang from the ear wires we made and the findings we made to make our earrings. I've already made a couple pairs, and on this one I just wanted to show you, if you don't have a ball end head pin, which is what I'm using here, which is just a little pin with a little ball on the end of it that'll make the bead stop, not fall off. You can make your own just by making a really tiny little P-loop at the end of the wire. For this one, I just have a couple pieces of labradorite on the end of the wire, and it's pretty simple to do. I'm going to take the wire and hold it so that the beads are down at the end of the head pin so that they're not going to move. And then I'm going to make a 90-degree bend in the wire just a little ways up from the end of the beads, and we're going to use that space to wrap the wire around it to secure the wire down. So I'm going to hold this bead like this and just bend it about 90 degrees so that it will look like this. Now I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm going to go about halfway up the round nose pliers because I want the loop that I make to be big enough to go around the loop in the S-class finding that we made last week. So I'm going to hold it just like this, and it's going to be kind of as close to that neck as I can get it. And then I'm going to take this tail and wrap it around the round nose pliers. And I'm going to come around so that it is wrapped all the way around and sticking out at about 90 degrees on the other side. Now I'm going to let go of that and grab that loop with the round nose pliers, and then I'm going to take this tail and wrap it around the neck. And when I can't do it with my fingers anymore, I'm going to pick up my chain nose pliers and I'm going to finish it using the chain nose pliers to wrap that around the neck. And it's fiddly. If the wire is too long, you can just trim it off as close to the neck as you can, and then finish wrapping it around the neck. But for this one, that ball end head pin, the wire was just about the right length. Okay, and just push that tail right up against the neck, just like that. Do the same thing for the other one. I really like to make sure that tail gets pushed down close up against the neck so it doesn't snag my hair. All right. right, now we're ready to put the earring together. First, I'm going to try opening it and seeing if the hole is big enough to get it. It is. If it isn't, if the hole ends up not being big enough to get it past this little tip right here, then you can reach in here and open that up a little bit and put it on like this, and then close that loop. And that is all there is to it. Now go make something awesome today. Next time I'll show you how to weave some jump rings together to make some connectors, and then you'll know everything you need to know in order to make this bracelet. Just got a couple pieces of labradorite,